So let's go over how you can select by color using Adobe Illustrator. As you can see here on my screen, I have this assortment of objects that all share the same colors. If I click on one of these objects, you can see the fill color over here in this menu. If I want to select every other object on my document that has this fill color, all I have to do is go to Select, Same, and choose Fill Color. And as you can see here, it's selected every other object on the canvas that has that same fill color. Now, in addition to fill color, you can also go by stroke color. Let me show you what I mean here. I'm going to zoom in on this object, and this object has a stroke here, as you can see by the indicator. If I want to select every other object with that stroke color, I can go to Select, Same, and choose Stroke Color. And as you can see here, we have every object with that stroke color enabled. Now, if you come back over here to the Select Same menu, you can see all of the other ways in which you can select objects, not just by fill and stroke color, but also by stroke weight, by opacity, blend modes, appearance data, so on and so forth. So that is how you can go about selecting objects by color using Adobe Illustrator. As always, thanks for watching.